making these.
I'll have to admit, from now on, I'm
thing
going
I
to
did was
expect an
just
Easter egg.
The verses.
Just the verses.
Thank you for the verses.
Definitely going to expect one from
Thank you for doing this, Joe.
I know. My candy and my verses.
Mom did the verses. Mom's eggs.
And the eggs. I found the eggs in the attic. I found the eggs in the attic. Yeah.
Look, I got a crystal egg.
Wow.
Oh.
And did you show the dollar? Show the greenbacks.
And the coveted prize had
All right.
muchos chachos.
Woohoo!
Woo. I'm so glad Bruce didn't win it.
I know. I could tell that I had negative fan base out
We
there.
would have 10 years from now. I won the prize.
Bruce, I gave you a hint that they were in the pool area.
Wait till next year.
Yeah.
Wait. But
Okay.
if there's anybody that I want to win, it's Leslie. So if she wasn't competing, that would have been totally different.
But Leslie did get the most eggs.
I did.
Yeah.
Which was excellent.
And we'll finish it off with Gunner, who was
The eggs in the attic.
Didn't that come out nice?
Really? Yeah, how's the attic cleaning been going?
The bike is
Good, making progress.
Excellent.
Found all kinds of eggs. No less than 5 different bags of
Here you
eggs.
go. Look at me. Look at me. Hello.
Not pretty, is it?
Bye now.